What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Guys, the cryptocurrency market is starting to look a little better. After the sell-off, when Amazon denied the fact that they're looking to accept Bitcoin payments potentially by the end of the year or beginning of 2022, the overall market pulled back pretty heavily. Now we're starting to see everything slowly but surely pick back up. If we look at SHIBA INU, the last hour, again, the buying pressure is back on. So the fact is that although we do know, Amazon did come out and officially deny the fact that they are looking to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of the year, we do see that they still have a job posting for a cryptocurrency slash digital currency leader or an executive to kind of take on a position for their company. So what could that mean? It might take time for them to join or hop on board with cryptocurrencies, but inevitably, in my opinion, I think it's going to happen. Now remember, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I try to always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And one of those, of course, is the Webull link in the description below. So get your 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. You have 4 more days to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. So, as you guys saw, Bitcoin held below 40,000 after Amazon pushed against speculation it will accept the token for payments this year. The move suggests that Bitcoin's latest roller coaster ride is starting to fizzle out. On Monday, prices soared on the back of an Amazon executive job posting linked to crypto. The rally quickly ran out of steam hours later after the company's spokesperson denied the tokens will be accepted for payments this year. Investors rushing to cover bearish bets also helped propel Bitcoin's earlier advance to a peak of $40,545, its highest since June 15th. So again, in the last 45 days, we're approaching the highest we've already approached, and a quick sell-off after the highest Bitcoin has been in a while. More than 950 million of the cryptocurrency shorts were liquidated on Monday, the most since May 19th, which we know that's when the bulls were really out and starting to slowly but surely see a sell-off thereafter, according to data from Bybit.com. So guys, again, remember, not for financial advice, but every time I tell you guys, the time to buy is now, I'm basing that off of, any significant sell-off that really is insensible, right? Paper hands might leave out of their positions thinking, hey, cryptocurrency is coming down and coming down quickly. But for me, those are the buying opportunities. You guys know I love to follow the fear and greed index for Bitcoin. And currently, we know it's all the way at 22. There was extreme fear and, again, not much greed at all. But you guys see, slowly but surely, we're coming back up. As of July 27th, today, we're at a 32 now. So the more we start going into that neutral, that's when I get extremely excited. Because I like to buy when there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Because remember, when people are fearful, that is the time to get greedy. And when people are greedy, that is the time for you and I, as smart investors, to get fearful. So until we get to basically, maybe the 60s and 70s, I am very excited. Because again, at that moment, that's when the buying pressure is on. People are like, wow, Bitcoin to the moon, stock and flow model, right? We talked about the 100,000 price target for Bitcoin by the end of the year. But now I want to add on really the most realistic price target for SHIBA INU by the end of this year, December 31st, 2021. Now, with what we've seen with this cryptocurrency, so if we look quickly at the all-time chart, we could see it peaked at 3,600 it was right around 3,600 Satoshi units, 3,600 Satoshis, and we've came down significantly, sitting currently at where we've been consolidating since the sell-off really in May. So there has just been, the swap came out, 20 to 30% increase in price, then a sell-off, Coinbase listing, then delisting. It's just been so much volatility for SHIBA INU, and I know people are losing conviction in this cryptocurrency. But for the projects that they have, the projects that they have on hand, the things that they have in their pipeline, including Shibarium, and again, for all these other exchanges, we know eToro is looking to list SHIBA INU, right? So you guys saw Shitoshi, if you guys follow him on Twitter, he actually retweeted right here, because there was this post that Milkshake sent out. Shout out to Milkshake. So it says community poll. Hey eToro, the community will reply to you by the means of this quick poll. How tired are you from eToro teasing the SHIB listing yet nothing happens. Quit playing games. They will list in time. Then eToro responds saying, the answer is actually C. We're working on it. Please chill. So again, I don't really know who's taking care of their Twitter account, but I think they have a lot of satire, pretty goofy person. But regardless, the fact is eToro will list Shiba Inu. Coinbase will relist Shiba Inu. Robinhood, after their IPO, might actually start paying attention to the petition, which I'm sure some of their execs or some of their higher ups saw that petition that's been out for months now, nearly 2 months. All of these things will get acknowledged at some point. For eToro, it's for certain. Not sure about the timeline, but it's for certain. It could be tomorrow, it could be next week, who knows? Seems like Monday's the day they typically list tokens. For Coinbase, guys, for everyone that thinks that Coinbase backed out, it makes absolutely no sense. Why? Because why would a publicly traded company come out and make a statement saying, hey, we are going to list this cryptocurrency, and they did list the cryptocurrency, and they delisted it for technical difficulties. All they have to say, hey, we're out, we don't like this crypto anymore. But no, that's not the case. They see that there is a case, there's a use case basis. They see that there's a decentralized exchange that is now being utilized by a lot of people that has almost 500 million US dollars as a total value locked. These are things that they're going to see, and they're going to hopefully be relisting as soon as they kind of weed out and figure out what's going on with these technical issues. And third, for Robinhood, just wait. I say patience. Right now, we haven't been acknowledged yet, but I think it is possible because they need us more than we need them. So for Shiba Inu, by the end of the year, right, especially if we get out of this bear market, easily, I think we can, take off a zero for sure. So at least a 10x. Now, going back to all-time highs, if the bull run comes back in that 600% upside, for a lot of cryptocurrencies going back to their all-time highs, as long as they have some use case basis and not just a random crypto that really just, has nothing to back it, not even a community per se, I would say that for those, we're not sure. I am not certain if they'll ever go back to their all-time highs. But for Shiba Inu, the 3,600 Satoshi units, I think that is something to definitely see as something that is part of the future of SHIB in the very short term. As long as the overall market continues to correct in the upward direction. Look at Bitcoin coming back into green. Everything else, look at the chart on the right-hand side, the 7-day chart. We saw the bull run, we saw the sell-off, and now we're seeing things slowly but surely come back up. So we need to break certain levels of resistance for Bitcoin, that $42,000 mark. If we can break that, I would be very, very excited to see where we'd go from there. Because 50,000, 55, 60. But to follow that stock and flow model that I talked about last night, we need to see a 100,000 Bitcoin price by the end of the year. So that is not a 1x. That is actually not a 2x, but nearly a 3x from its current valuation. So we'll see what happens. Time will only be the true teller, right? And for everybody that has been losing conviction and faith in the cryptocurrency space, I say patience prevails all the time. And all I'm doing is holding on for dear life. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Really appreciate your guys' love and support. And until next time then, keep investing. Peace.